I look like shit. Christmas. Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Russell, and I'm going to be making a Christmas wreath for my door. I've got a few things to make my wreath. I got this thingy from IKEA, this ring, that's gonna be like the base. And then I got a whole load of like knickety knacks, like I got all these like things from the, you know, the kind of
dollar store.
Not the dollar store. It's the
$2 shop.
$2 shop. We call them the $2 shop. Not, they're not $2, but you know, it's called the $2 store. You know, it's the cheap store. I'm doing something similar to this, but it's going to be like full-on big wreath style. I'm going with a red and green theme, so I've got like bells, ribbons. I also got some cheap floristry tape and some wire. I'm gonna put some lights on it because that's gonna just look cool. Also from Big W, Kmart, Target, one of them. I got this tinsel that looks like a Christmas tree. I used it to thicken up one of my trees by wrapping all the branches with it. Most of this stuff you can pretty much find at the party store, $2 store, cheap store, whatever store, you know. And you can make something really luxurious, expensive looking out of very cheap and nasty. So, let's get making! Distractor crafting. Let's get distractor crafting on my new kitchen bench because I don't have my table. Also, my art room's not set up yet. So
that'll be another video. We'll set up the craft space.
Yeah. So yeah, love you. Bye bye.
No, bye bye. Let's get started.
I'm getting started. Bye. I've just rolled the tinsel around the hoop, and it fit perfectly. One tinsel I think was 8 meters. Now I'm just getting all the little bits and bobs like the leaves, the berries, the acorns. So lights will go on last because obviously you don't want to put the lights on first and then put everything over it and then you end up covering the lights. So you want to put everything on there and then the lights are meant to enhance what you've done. At the moment, I'm making another one of these. So I made this for Christian for a hairpiece for a Christmas look. Just a mixture of like different Christmas flowers and the berries. I'm going to make 2 of them and they're going to be kind of at the bulk at the bottom. It will work its way up and then at the top where it hooks onto the door, there'll be a large bow up there and it'll be very, very, very traditional Christmas. Let me continue. So I've been making them into like little sprigs of, you know,
Bouquets.
bouquets and stuff like that. And I'm going to work that up to the top. And like I said, I'm going to finish the top with a nice bow. This nice green gold bow, because it's very traditional, very Christmas. Okay, let's finish the ring.
We're gonna put on the front door?
Yeah, on the front door.
Our first Christmas decoration of the house.
I know. Finish up with a bow, and I'll be done.
Did you look up how to make a bow yet?
No.
Oh, I'll do that for you.
Does that look good?
Welcome back to Julie's Wreath Boutique, and welcome back to my mess of ribbon here. This video, if you saw the title, it's Bow Making 101.
Hurry up.
How to make a bow from beginning to end.
And it's a finish. I think you should put a thing there. Not. This is finished. This is finished. The next bit, I'm gonna be hanging it up. I'm finishing it. I'm finishing this video. It is done. It's dusted.
Okay.
Bye.
We do the lights and the tree lights.
So, you know when you have something in your head and you've got it planned and you're like, this is the way I want it to turn out. I frickin' did it today. Literally, this is what I imagined. And this is what I got. And I think it's frickin' amazing. Does it look nice and neat? Well, hello. I love the way that the flowers look. I love the way that the little cherry blossoms look. It took a while, but that, with all things that I do, they take a while, and I like to finesse and I like perfection, and I think this is perfection. I learnt from my good friend YouTube how to make that bow. Didn't turn out the way that they make it. I still think it looks good. It looks so good. Look at this bow. Look at this. And it's got this bit and it looks up.
Either hold it to the left or hold it to the right. Just a little bit lower.
I don't want to hold it below the kitchen cabinet because then it loses its glamour. This is my DIY Christmas wreath that I made out of bibs and bobs. You don't have to do it exactly the way I've done it. I have lots of other things here that I didn't end up using. I had bells, because I love the sound of bells. But I am going to be using these in other projects because I've still got 3 trees to decorate and the rest of the house. So that's my wreath, Christmas wreath, Christmas.
Thank you for watching, subscribe,
Thank
comment.
you for watching. Thank you for watching. Sorry it's been so long since the last video. Please like and subscribe. I hopefully am going to be getting more Christmas stuff out before Christmas. Yes. Leave a comment below about what you like about Christmas. Give me some ideas. Tell me what you like. And Merry Christmas! Happy holidays. And see you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. See you. Stop the camera.
You're gonna hang on another one?
Yes! Saw mommy kissing Santa Claus.